Everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 513 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Santee Lash Primer, long lasting. And I got this from ShopMissA, so this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. And I'm really excited to try this out today because it reminds me of the Lancome Lash Primer. I can't even really pronounce the name of that lash primer, but I love it. I use it every day, but I'm completely out of it. But if you want to see my review on the Lancome lash primer, I will link that video down below. But I got that lash primer from Lancome as a gift for Christmas, and I never really used lash primers that much, but ever since I started using that one, I cannot go a day without using it. It also seems like it really nourishes my lashes, and I feel like my lashes are just so much longer and stronger now. I actually came so close to buying it twice while I was in Canada because they just sell Lancome at the drugstores in Canada. So I was thinking that it might be a little less expensive there, and it probably would be considering the Canada to US exchange rate. But I just could not get myself to spend the money on it because I just bought a house and I'm putting all of my money into that, and I'm really trying to watch my spending. But I have this $1 version right here, so maybe this will be a good dupe and a good replacement. I really hope so, at least. And I have to say, it's pretty nice packaging. I wonder if they were inspired by the Lancome version. Let's check out the applicator. Ooh, wow, yeah, this applicator is totally different from the Lancome version though. This is so teeny skinny. It'll be very interesting to see how this works. So in order to review this mascara primer, I'm just going to apply it to one of my eyes, and then we can compare how the lashes look with versus without the primer. And I also did not curl my lashes. This way we can see if this primer gives the lashes any curl. But so this is applying white, same as that Lancome primer. And this wand, I don't mind it. I feel like it doesn't coat the lashes as quickly because it is so small. It's a little bit harder to get all of the lashes. But okay, at this point all of the lashes are coated. I do feel like it's giving my lashes curl, like the lashes are going up a lot more on this eye versus the eye without it. And so the instructions say to let it dry for about a minute before applying the mascara. So in the meantime, I'm going to apply my mascara to the other eye, and I'll just do one layer. So I'm going in with the Il Maquillage mascara that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So I will also link in the description box down below my review of this mascara. And I really do like this mascara. I use it pretty much every day now. Okay, so that's one layer of the mascara. And one thing about this mascara is it does not lift and curl the lashes. My lashes are just looking so straight out on this eye. So I hope that this lash primer will give them some curl and we're going to really be able to tell that difference. Now I'm going to go and apply the mascara to the eye with the primer. And I'm just going to try and apply the same amount of mascara. And that white shade, it did, as it dried down, turned a bit more clear. So I'm not really having any issues covering up the white. Now here is the difference. Let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see. There is a noticeable difference. Definitely in the amount of curl. There's more curl on the lashes with the primer. And I think that those lashes look longer and more volumized. Neither of the lashes have clumping. And I think that's just because the mascara doesn't really clump, but I really am seeing a difference. It's not so dramatic that if I went out with my lashes looking like this, that people would notice there's much of a difference, but I can definitely see one. And for a $1 mascara primer, that's very impressive. So I'm happy with this. I will definitely continue using this in place of my Lancome mascara primer. I don't think that it's an absolute dupe for it, but it still gets the job done. It adds more length and volume to my lashes, which is what I'm looking for. And this is also supposed to make your mascara more long lasting. I don't typically have a problem with my mascara not lasting throughout the day. I feel like when I apply my mascara in the morning, it always ends up looking the same by nighttime. I don't really rub at my mascara or lose it or anything. But if that is something that happens to you and your mascara just doesn't last, using a primer, and especially one that's supposed to be long lasting, is a great tip and a great option. But let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on mascara primers and if you think they're necessary, which ones are your favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.